Are you guys ready? Are you sure you're ready? Come on now. Please welcome the founder and CEO of F-Factor, your host for the weekend, Tanya Zuckerman.
Welcome to F-Factor's New York City 2019 Wellness Summit. F-Factor is so much more than weight loss. You're really here to transform your lives. I just want you to understand that where you are today does not define where you'll be tomorrow. My hope is that each and every one of you return home more educated, more inspired, more empowered, and more excited for what your future has in store.
There's always an opportunity to learn, whether you've been doing F-Factor for 5 years, 2 minutes, or a year, that allows you to meet like-minded people who all have a goal of just being healthy and wanting to look and feel their best, and there's a sense of independence that comes along with that.
I felt really empowered to just go home and kind of just really think about emotional eating in my life and make a big change.
I learned from Tanya that your weight and health affects more areas of your life than one person normally thinks, whether it's like confidence, going out, being social, kindness.
I love that it's brought so many different types of people together, and that everyone is kind of there to hold each other accountable and there to ask questions and give each other advice when we need it.
I think it's the most sustainable way of living your life, having the best relationship with food, and being in charge of your own destiny.
Every day I try and give so much to all of you, and you guys have given me so much back. Thank you for allowing me to share F-Factor with you guys.